1 Minute Polish Lesson 4.
It's time for 1 Minute Polish, and I'm your host, Ania. In this course, I'm going to be teaching you just enough Polish to get by on a holiday or a business trip to Poland. You've already learned some greetings and useful words and phrases. Last lesson, you learned how to say you speak a little Polish. We're going to add to this today. I think I hear the clock ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. You already know how to say, I speak a little Polish. Can you remember this phrase? It's mówię trochę po polsku. Excellent! Now, today we're going to add a couple of other useful phrases for dealing with the language. In Polish, I don't understand is nie rozumiem. Let's listen to that again. I'll say it more slowly. Nie rozumiem. Repeat after me. Nie rozumiem. Imagine someone said something to you in Polish, and you had no idea what they said. What would you say? That's right. You'd say, nie rozumiem. You can go one step farther and say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Let's learn the phrase for I'm sorry. It's Przepraszam. I'll say that again slowly. Przepraszam. One more time. Przepraszam. Now, let's add that to I don't understand. Przepraszam, nie rozumiem. That's quite a mouthful. Let's try it again. Przepraszam, nie rozumiem. Just try it one more time. Przepraszam, nie rozumiem. Time's up! Even if you're trying to make that good impression with your Polish-speaking friends or colleagues, don't worry about not understanding what they say. They'll be very impressed and appreciative if you can say that you don't understand in their language. In the meantime, thanks again. Do widzenia I dziękuję.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.